own shop, and I have to say I'm so freaking excited. So I had to put my winter jacket on to come film this. It's already so cold here. But you guys, just like that, the truck is pretty much done. The suspension, the wheels and tires, the painted parts, everything that was torn off of the truck is now back on, and I am absolutely pleased with how it turned out. It brings me so much happiness to drive it, and knowing that I was the one that put it together, it is just an absolutely amazing feeling. I want to say thank you to everyone who supported me through the finish line. That meant the absolute world to me, and without you guys it would not have been possible. So thank you for supporting me and encouraging me along the way, because you guys have no idea how helpful that really was to me. So thank you guys so much. And I also want to say thank you to everyone who lended a hand in putting it back together and getting it done. I wouldn't have been able to do it completely on my own. Super thankful for everyone who helped out and made this come to life. So with the alignment being done, I'm able to drive it a little bit more, and that was really important so I could get some shots of it other than sitting in the driveway, because you know, a truck like this needed a good view. So when they did the alignment, all of this was like chipped off. All that paint I did a few months ago was chipped off, so I had to go in and hand paint that again, which it was a really big project, I'm not gonna lie, but definitely worth it. I also painted this white right here. I don't know if I like that though. I might change the color on that. Maybe let me know in the comments what you guys think about this core support being white, because when I did the diff cover, I was like, I can't look at this anymore, so I just did white because there was obviously enough blue going on. So with the alignment and all of the steering stuff kind of straightened out, it does drive extremely well. It's a really fun truck. I'm very surprised in how smooth it rides. I think the shocks really play a big part in it. I'm not sure if the shocks make it more rough of a ride or help. I'm not exactly sure. It's completely different than where we started. I think that this was absolutely worth it, absolutely worth finishing and getting it done. I would say that this is one of my dream trucks. Completely built, completely painted, exactly how I wanted it, and I'm so thankful that I've gotten this opportunity to do that and share it with you guys. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for all your support through this build. Thanks to everyone who got their hands on it and were able to help me out. It means the absolute world to me, and this thing turned out so good. So thank you guys again. I can't wait to show you guys what's next. This is not a final video, but I'm definitely ready to close this chapter out and start something new with you guys. So thank you guys again. I hope you all are doing well. Take care. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. So when we were taking the truck to go get these final shots, some like rollers and all of that, this happened. I'm pretty sure it's some injector issues with the truck. It sounds like it. As much as I thought this build was gonna be over and I wasn't gonna have to deal with that, I'm so down to do some injectors on this thing and just make it a nice truck, not only appearance wise but performance wise as well. That's something to look forward to. I am pretty certain that I have to do that. I want to bring you guys along for the rest of this.